Improve your logo design skills when you watch this video. You will learn how to design this logo from the beginning to the end. The video is full of compelling logo design ideas and design principles that you may need in your next logo design project. Without much ado, let's jump right into it. This video is brought to you by Brand and Graphics channel, and my name is Vincent Annie. Following my two previous videos on logo design, today we are ready to put what we have learned so far to work. The links to the previous videos are added in the description. Please feel free to check them out. We are going to design this logo on the screen. This logo is a BrandMark logo when it stands alone without its name. When you include its name, Crystal Studio, it changes to a combination mark logo. Today we are going to design only the icon, and in the subsequent videos we will see how to transform ordinary fonts into a letterform logo. Examples of BrandMark logos are: these are also known as pictorial logos or logo mark. Now let's begin our design. I'm just going to grab the elliptical tool from the toolbar and draw a circle of 5 inches by 5 inches or 360 pixels by 360 pixels. I will change the fill to gradient. I'm going to create a second circle which will be half of the first one, inches by 2.5 inches or 180 pixels by 180 pixels depending on your preferred measurement unit. Select both circles and center align them horizontally and vertically. Hold Shift and drag the smaller circle down until it intersects the circumference of the bigger circle. Zoom in to confirm the point of intersection. For us to design a clean and smooth logo, I will remove the strokes. With a line tool, let's divide the bigger circle into 4 equal parts. Make sure that your Smart Guide is turned on. Hold Shift to draw a straight line. We are going to minus the inner circle, which is also the front circle. But before we do it, I will first copy it using the shortcut key Ctrl+C or Command+C. We will be needing this circle later. Now I will select only the circles and go to Pathfinder. By the way, if you don't see Pathfinder panel, just go to Window and click on it. Now click on the minus front button. To divide the image into 4, I will select all and go to Pathfinder again and click on Divide. They are divided but grouped. So we go to Object and ungroup them. I will go ahead to delete these parts. We do not need them. This is the only part we need. Now I'm going to return the circle we copied earlier using Ctrl F or Command F for pasting front. We don't need this anchor point, so with delete anchor point, I will delete it. Then use the direct selection tool to adjust this part. When you are done, select the rotation tool and click at the center of the circle. Hold the Alt key or Option key. Click and drag to rotate this around the circle. Use Ctrl D or Command D to repeat the process as many times as required. Delete the circle. We don't need it anymore. You will agree with me that the edges of this logo are very smooth. We need to divide up this image. So I will go to the Pathfinder panel and click divide. Then ungroup. I don't really need this. You can leave it if you like. The next thing we are going to do is to remove the extra layers on top, the extra shell. Are you getting value so far? Then give this video a thumbs up to make it reach others that need it. Thank you. I have prepared down this color palette. At this point in your project, you have to painstakingly select each color. If you are designing for a company, you will be provided with the brand colors, but you are still going to mix them proportionally or apply them proportionally yourself. Once we finish selecting 4 hues, like these ones, we need 4 hues. Decrease the intensity of each color by adjusting its saturation. Let me show you what I mean. I will apply the yellow color here. Apply the same color on the next. Then adjust the saturation by dragging this slide. I would also like to share with you this information that I believe will help you whenever you get to this color selection stage in your logo design. I screenshotted some of the multicolored logos from Google search and brought them into Adobe Illustrator. I used the color picker to sample some of the colors and adjusted those colors to suit my design. Now, let's start coloring the logo. From the brightest color to the low intensity colors. A good selection of shades of color will not only provide color harmony, but will make the borderlines stand out, well defined. Finally, let's expand the logo and group them. Then I will move this logo to a new background. And that's our BrandMark logo. And when we add the company's name, the logo changes to a combination mark logo. Remember from my previous videos, most companies that are using BrandMark logos started with a combination mark logo. And when they become established, when people can identify them with their logo icon only. They drop their names from the logo when necessary and use only their logo icon. Thank you for watching this video and see you on the next video, how to design a lettermark logo.